Good day guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the Haylou GT1 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. So this is our item for today, the Haylou GT1 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. So it has a Qualcomm chipset with APTX codec, Bluetooth 5.0, charging case, true wireless design, smart touch control. Charging time is approximately 1.5 hours. Call time approximately 3.5 hours. Let's continue with our unboxing. So there's our Haylou GT1 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. Pull this out. Wow, that is tiny, man. Look at how small this device is. So this is my Logitech mouse, which I have reviewed on the channel, and this is our Haylou GT1 Plus True Wireless Earbuds case. We have some manuals from Haylou. I believe these are ear tips. So these are the ear tips that come with our Haylou GT1 Plus. Well, definitely the design on this Haylou GT1 Plus is concerned and developed that it should be snug to your ear. But if ever you still have doubts, you can use these tips that come with the earbuds to make it fit to your ear properly. Okay. We also have, of course, we have our micro USB cable for charging our device. So that's all we have from our box. So this is the micro USB cable for charging. This is our manual, additional ear tips that comes with the Haylou GT1 Plus, and our actual device right there. Okay, at first glance for the case, there's a Haylou branding on top of it. Right there, we have the hinge, and here I believe this is where we open it, and this is where we charge the case for our wireless earbuds. So that's our micro USB slot right there. Now we open up the star of the show. Wow! So there's left and right indicators right there. So if we take out the buds, so there are pins in there right there. So that's how it charges from the case, our earbuds. It connects there, I believe. Oh, it's magnetized. So for easy storing, when you get it back, of course there's the pin for the right buds right there. If you get it back to the case for charging, it snaps ever so lightly. Unfortunately, I've seen some cases where there are LED indicators right here in terms of how much juice is left on the case. That's not the case in here, pun intended. The Haylou GT1 Plus True Wireless Earbuds comes with a Qualcomm chipset. It's Bluetooth 5.0. It is dual host True Wireless Earbuds, so you can either use the left or right. It also comes with DSP noise cancelling. Transmission distance is 10 meters, just like with some of our mouse, which we have reviewed from the past. It's IPX5 rated, so it can take on some water or maybe your sweat if you use this while working out. In terms of earbud capacity, the earbuds have a 43 milliamp hour battery on them. In terms of the battery capacity of our charging case, it has 310 milliamp hour battery. So single use with our earbuds would last 5 hours. Combined with the charging case, it's a total of 18 hours of playtime. So in terms of decoding format, it comes with the ACC and APTX codec, which would definitely help in terms of the quality of the music you will be playing on these earbuds. I would not weigh these on our digital scale because it weighs like nothing, like paper, guys. So in terms of touch control for our earbuds, here are some of the functions. You can double touch the left earbud if you want to skip a track backward. You can double touch the right earbud to skip a track forward. You can touch either of your earbuds to pause or resume your music. You can also double touch either earbuds when answering or ending a call. To ignore a call, just keep touching either of your earbuds. You can also triple tap any of your earbuds to wake up your voice assistant. So to charge our earbuds for the first time, we need to take it out and peel out this sticker from our earbud, like so. Here. It's also labeled left right there, so you won't be confused if which earbud is right or which one is left. So let's do this on the other side. That is the right earbud. So to charge them, we just have to put it back to the case, like so. There, so the red light indicator means that it is indeed charging. So now we have both of them charging through our case. So in conclusion, the Haylou GT1 Plus TWS Earbuds is a great value budget TWS earbuds. It is a great form factor to consider because of its size. In terms of connectivity, the Bluetooth 5.0 establishes a good connection between our TWS and the device, so less dropouts in terms of the connection. The dual decoding capability of the GT1 Plus in terms of the sound quality that it produces. The sound is really crisp, it's clear, the bass is really good, just clean, clear bass and treble. It really sounds good because of the capability of the Haylou GT1 Plus to decode audio using the APTX codec. In terms of fitting the GT1 Plus to your ears, it really has a snug fit to your ears, so you can definitely use this if you are working out or any similar activities. You also have three options in terms of the tips: small, medium, and large in size. So you can choose which one will be a fit snug to your ear when you are using it. In terms of battery life, this one is also good. because you'll get 5 hours from these buds, 5 hours of use independent of the case. And if you add the case in terms of charging the device, you will get a total of around 18 hours of use. The only thing that I didn't like with the Haylou GT1 Plus is the volume. The max volume that I can pump out of the GT1 Plus is not that loud. It's decent. Since I was using a headphone before, the headphones really was louder in terms of the max volume I'm getting from this GT1 Plus. And also, one more con that I would share with you guys is when I opened this up and it was in factory default, I got problems in terms of pairing the two buds at the same time. I will link another video in here to show you how you can fix that error on your first use of the Haylou GT1 Plus, because it will not be able to pair with your device, both of them. You will only get one. So if ever you purchase this and you encounter the same situation, here's the link to that video. Click here and I'll show you how to fix that, so you can use your Haylou GT1 Plus in stereo mode. So there you go, guys, with our unboxing and review of the Haylou GT1 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. If you have questions and inquiries about these earbuds, please comment down below. If you liked our video today, please toss a like down there, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to Abner's Reviews. Do not forget to click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload our future videos. Once again, this is Abner's Reviews, and I will see you guys on the next video.